Well, hello. It is opening day of Washington elk modern firearm season. So we're in a unit that is quality bull unit, but I got the over-the-counter tag so I can shoot spike only. This is where I shot the mule deer and saw plenty of elk tracks up here. So we're gonna climb to the top of this and start glassing. Maybe see an elk. We got about 2.5 miles to go to get to the top of that. And today we got Daniel recording, so I don't have to haul that camera around. So we're about a mile into this hike. It has been not too bad, just a slant, kind of a gradual uphill. Whew, shouldn't have put on all these layers. It was about 30 degrees when we woke up, and going up this hill is kicking our butts. I kind of want to get to the top, another mile or so, take off all these layers and
right there.
just be able to hunt in just a jacket. Sun's rising. We're expecting to see any deer start coming out of these draws. You ever hunted something like this?
No.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah.
You can see, but it's the work. That's why the animals they get to survive up here, because it's hard work to get to them. But we found a road that takes us to the top, better than last time. Just catching my breath, stalling for a little bit.
Stalling.
I'd say wait till those bull pines up there and then rethink how we want to rest again, huh?
That tree does look pretty cool.
Alright, let's get up there. So we ran into 6 deer already on the way up this trail. Another mile to go to the top, and then we'll be in elk country. Wish us luck. All right, we made it to the very top. There's a couple more tops, but crest of this top, and a mile away on the GPS, there is a herd of elk. We counted 29, maybe 30, and they're kind of just grazing on the hillside. So we're gonna creep around, try and make a stalk. Maybe. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. They may feed 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'd say we're almost a mile and a half from them. So we can cut the distance really quick, go around this ridge. We may just drop down and up because it'd be quicker. And cut half the distance and then just find out where they're walking to. And they're facing this way.
Yeah,
awesome. Oh my gosh. This is good. You see them all?
Yeah, I can see them all.
On the left,
Yeah, I know exactly.
there's a whole bunch out there on the left heading this way. So we can get over to that peak where those trees are.
Yeah.
We can probably make... Okay. We're creeping the last bit of this ridge. we should start seeing the elk again. I think we cut off about 400 yards. Then we'll be able to work our way down the other ridge and try to get in close. I picked a spot on the map, a good spot to shoot. It looks wide open. It looks about 600 yards. But we were right around that top. We got within 1,000 yards of these elk now, and they're congregating closer to that big tree patch, so maybe they're going to go into that.
Came from all the way down there.
So we switched gears and we went down to the road, got the truck, came all the way around about 4 or 5 miles, hit another drainage, and we walked all the way up that drainage to the same side of the canyon the elk were on. And the elk are still there. They're just laying down, eating. I think we can get up to the mountain field up there before they decide to head to the woods, and we'll just wait for them to come back. But it was not fun. It was fun, but it was heavy. Hard work up this hill. Poor Daniel. There's our elk. Whole bunch of them. They're behind the trees too. Alright. So the elk are still there. We hit the top of this trail. Went all the way around them, and now we're on the same mountain as the elk. So we're gonna creep up there. We're about 1,000 yards again, but this time we're on the same side. Moving in on them now. All right, we packed it up. Those elk, there's 31, 32 cows, and they're just meandering down there. They got scared, ran into the woods, scared everybody else. They ran back out, and we got some more footage of them. We're getting our gear back on, heading up the hill to the road. I don't know, we'll see if another bull comes out on that saddle up there where all the elk were bedded down at. So we're just going to creep up here nice and quiet and wait. All right.